How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Sick Eric TV, and today we are going to be doing a little something different. We are going to be trying this right here. This is PROOFTECH. This is Oleopel, which is a wipe-on oleophobic coating. Now, I picked this up off of Amazon for about $15, and the reason I did that is because one of my devices seems to not have its oleophobic coating anymore, and this is the LG Velvet that I recently just got. Unfortunately, not a big deal, but maybe the person who had this before cleaned it a lot. And of course, you know, if you're in these times, you know, with the pandemic and all, you're constantly cleaning your phones, and they will take the coating off of your device if you clean it too much with sanitary wipes. And you can see right here, there is a little bit of a difference between around the camera and where the smudges actually get picked up. Like, it's all gone right around here, but not around the camera, and you can tell it's smoother around the camera than it is over here, and it does pick up a lot of fingerprints. The front is definitely just really not smooth on the LG Velvet. Well, this device right here, it just drags, your finger drags all along the front, and once you get it clean, you can't tell. But yeah, it just gets really dirty really quick, and as you can see, there is a lot of resistance on here on the display. So I'm guessing the oleophobic coating is completely gone, and we're gonna try this product out and see how it works and try to replace it. So like I said, pick this up off of Amazon for about $15. Links will be posted down below. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Now apparently you're supposed to let this sit for several hours. It's open. So you get a clean wipe, you get a microfiber cloth, you get instructions on there, and then you're gonna get the actual coating cloth. Now this is a one-shot use, which means it only comes with one cloth. And let's clean the device, and hopefully this works. Because yeah, this phone gets dirty really easily and really quickly. This is probably taking off that coating a little bit more, and as you can see right there, how the water beads along the camera, but it does not bead anywhere else. Very strange. Don't know what this person did to this phone before me, but we're gonna fix that hopefully. So let's go ahead and wipe it off and get this device ready. So let's go ahead and put this on there and then wipe the back off. So yeah, you can definitely tell that the coating is off because this is not smooth whatsoever. It's very tactile and it's very tacky, not smooth at all, especially when I'm rubbing the cloth on here. There's so much drag. So hopefully this fixes it and we are good to go. So let's give this a final wipe down really quick with the cloth included, and we're gonna do the front first, and I guess I'll do the back later since I can't really do them at the same time without interfering with one or the other. Alright, so we got the phone fully clean, and you probably didn't have to sit through all of that because I probably will cut that out. So here is the cloth. Let's go ahead and crack that open and unfold it, and we're gonna wipe in circular motions onto the device. And there we go. Make sure you get the edges. Okay, let's flip it around and try that. Circular motions. And be sure to get the edges of your device. You can see it sort of not evaporating, but going into the device. Hopefully it's not evaporating. And we'll go ahead and let this sit for a while. And thanks to movie magic, I will come back later on to see how the results are. That way you guys don't have to sit through a 4-hour long video. And let's see if this worked, or the end results of using PROOFTECH Oleopel Wipe-On Oleophobic Coating from Amazon. Links will be posted down below. Stick around. Alright, so we've let this coating set on the phone for at least 2 or 3 hours. I think it's been since I first applied this. So we're going to go ahead and see exactly, did this work or not. I have a feeling it did not. The oleophobic coating that was on the cloth did evaporate pretty quick, so I ended up wiping, and then eventually it was wiping off. So con maybe as far as it lasting, it's definitely not going to last you a couple of days or for multiple uses, because it does evaporate pretty quick from the cloth. The cloth is now completely dry, so let's go ahead and wipe this down to see did this work or not. So it does feel a little bit smoother than it did before, especially wiping on here with this cloth. And let's go ahead and go on to the front and wipe on there. So yeah, it does feel a little bit smoother. Usually whenever I would wipe a cloth on here, it'll be very, very draggy. So let's go ahead and see did this work or not. And it does feel a little bit smoother on here. So whether or not it will last, I am not sure, but it does look pretty good and it does feel a little bit smoother. You still can see a line on here. So I think this worked pretty well. It does feel a lot smoother. Now, how long this will last, I do not know. It still does pick up smudges, but then again, my hands are probably a little dirty, but it does feel a lot smoother, especially when wiping with a cloth. This thing was very, very draggy. No matter what cloth I used, it was just sticking to it. And it does feel a lot smoother now. And going on over to the back side, still of course picking up fingerprints. That's just because probably fingers are maybe a little greasy, but still feels very, very nice and a lot smoother than what it did before. And as far as that little section where the camera was at, it does seem to be blending in a little bit more. Of course, you can still see that little area where the camera cutout is, that there still is a square around there, but it definitely feels a lot better. Now, whether or not this will last, like I said earlier, it depends. We'll go ahead and give it a try and then come back, and I will post a description in the description, the results as far as how long this oleophobic coating did last on this LG Velvet, and whether or not this is a good buy or not. But only time will tell exactly how long this will last. Of course, you can still see the back cutout area to where I guess it was a little bit of a different section or something. I don't know exactly what happened there, but it definitely looks a lot better. You can still see that little area right here to where it is a little bit different than the rest of the phone, but it works. It's smooth, it feels good, it feels a lot smoother, and looks a lot better than it did to begin with. Like, this thing looks really, really nice and smooth. So yeah, hopefully this worked. Thank you guys for watching. This has been my little review, or I guess tutorial, on how to redo your oleophobic coating on your smartphone. Of course, this is a one-time use. You cannot use this several different times, but hopefully this works. And if it doesn't, $15, try it, buy it and try it again, see if it works on there. But yeah, hopefully this restored the oleophobic coating on this particular smartphone. Check it out. Links will be posted down below. That way you guys can go on Amazon and check it out. There's a whole bunch of other different products you could probably try on there. This one was one of the cheapest ones, but not really. I was trying to go cheap, but not too cheap on this, just because I didn't want to get some piece of crap product. So I was trying to stick in the middle ground, and this was in the middle ground as far as reviews went and everything. It seemed to get positive reviews, and yeah, hopefully this worked. So far everything looks pretty good on the device. It looks nice and clean, and it feels a lot smoother than it did before. So if you did, thumbs down if you didn't, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.